Hello, I'm Jesse Jaramillo from Amphenol Assemble Tech Division. I'm located in Houston, Texas, and our factory is in Xiamen, China. And we're here at DesignCon showing one of our high-speed cable assembly solutions. Is the MiniCool Edge I/O. This cable assembly is designed for PCIe Gen 3, 4, and 5, and it's also being developed for 112 gigabit per second PAM4. This particular assembly is built with 30 gauge twin-ax high-speed cable assembly, and it's built with 2 straight plugs, and they're mated to a vertical receptacle on the test board. So today we're demoing a channel that we work with Xilinx to put together, and it's basically a Xilinx TX-RX, and sending a real-time channel traffic, characterizing the performance of our 1 meter cable assembly that we have here. So we're also in our display showing slicer eye along with the bit error rate test and the performance, and as well as a histogram of the energy pertaining with the bits. So this product, the MiniCool Edge I/O, is one of several solutions that we have that perform at this level, 56 GB. This is a PAM4 a signal that we're sending through this channel today. We have the Swift to Flash, as well as the Z-Link, which is our version for the Gen C spec. And then also our SlimSAS, which historically has been a Gen 3, a Gen 4. We're also going to be using it for Gen 5. So we look forward to working with you on your particular project, on your application. We have a variety of form factors as far as low profile and pin density that you need. And many times we will modify and improve and adjust our designs so that they can be a perfect fit for your application. So please contact us if you have anything that you think we may be a good fit, or if you just need general signal integrity support or have questions regarding our internal high-speed cable assemblies. We are very happy and always looking to help customers with application information regarding our products. We're looking forward to hearing from you.